Transpose of the matrix. Yesterday, actually, we thought of starting, but it is due to the signal problem, we couldn't connect properly. So, transpose of a matrix. If A is any matrix, Aij of order m by n, then the transpose of this matrix will be written as, transpose of this matrix is written as A power में T लिखते हैं और A dash लिखते हैं. In the both the ways you can write. So which is equals to Aj n by m. Means if you interchange the rows and columns of the given matrix, if you interchange the rows and columns of the given matrix, as example, let us take here A is equals to 1, 5, 2, 3. Like this one matrix is taken. This is what is the order of this matrix. Okay, let us take the still two more elements, 3, 4. So what is the order of this matrix?
2 by 3.
Yes, order of, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is.
Little bit.
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay. Okay. A transpose of this matrix is written as, this row should be written as a column. 1, 5, 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then this order will become 2 by 3. 2 rows. Sorry. ये 2 by 3 है, ये 3 by 2. 3 rows and 2 columns. So this is called the transpose of the matrix. So the properties of the transpose of the matrix, if you see that, properties, A transpose whole transpose is equals to A. A transpose and whole transpose is equals to A. Means if you do the transpose of the matrix and again you transpose it, then again you are going to get the same matrix. And if you multiply the any matrix by the scalar, if you multiply the any matrix by the scalar and do it transpose and the scalar multiplication, so the second property is Ka whole transpose is equals to K is here scalar. K is a scalar. So K into A transpose is equals to K A transpose. This is the second property when you multiply. And addition of the two matrices whenever you take and it is transpose whenever you, that transpose if you take, A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. The fourth one is AB whole transpose is equals to, here B transpose into A transpose you are going to get AB. This is a very, very important thing you need to remember here. AB
Sir, then what is the difference here?
What is that?
Means what will be the difference if it is A transpose, B transpose, or B transpose, A transpose?
There is a lot of difference, because now you check, if you check there will be a problems to you. Now if you check first you find out the products. A and B are the two matrices given to you. And the two matrices, if you find the product, that product and that product, let us take that product transpose. If you take that product transpose, and that will be equals to the not A transpose into B transpose. It will be equals to the B transpose into A transpose. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
You can check that one through the examples. You can check through the examples. Means the example, some problems whenever we are solving, then you will be able to see that the difference between these two things. Okay? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
now the
sir.
next, now the
And
next.
sir, will you
two
explain the
types of-
second one? Sir,
second one?
second one, what is
Okay.
K here, sir?
K is nothing but some constant, brother. Suppose let us take the example I will give you. I'll give you the example. K is equals to, you take the 1, 2, 3, 4. Ka is nothing but some number, scalar, 2a. 2a is nothing but 2 से multiply करना. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now this is 2a. 2a whole transpose you take. 2a whole transpose. So a transpose means 2 इधर 4 आ जाएगा, 6 8 आ जाएगा. So this will be equals to 2 into a transpose answer. A this means a transpose is what? 1 2 3 4. और a transpose को 2 separately multiply करो. So you are getting 2 6 4 8. So now this one, ये दोनों equal are not? इक्वल है ना अनुराग?
Yes, sir.
So that is only 2 is nothing but some scalar multiplication of a matrix. Here some k is nothing but some constant here. Constant, if you multiply to the matrix and find the transpose, a transpose cannot be. Most of the students will write for the k also one transpose will. K is not a matrix. K is not a matrix. It is just a number. It is just a number. Okay, got my point?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now the based on the transpose of the matrix, we are having the two types of the matrices. Types of the matrices. There, the two matrices are symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix. So symmetric matrix. So here, can you tell me that if a transpose of the matrix is equals to itself, if A transpose is equals to A, then that matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. So to be a matrix to be a symmetric matrix, whether it is of any order or any speciality is there. Is it of any order or any speciality is there? Because
Sir, it can be. It should be means A should be equals to A transpose only.
If you want a transpose of the matrix should be equals to itself means what is the order means some separate order should be there in case of the order. There should be some separate order or it can be any order. When some condition is necessary or not, I am asking.
Not sure, sir.
Not sure. Not understanding.
No, sir.
Anyone? Javelina? No? So, A is of order 3 by 2. Then A transpose is of order 2 by 3. Yes, 3 by 2 matrix can be equal to the 2 by 3 matrix. Is there any chance of equal? No, it is never possible now. Any 3 by 2 matrix is never be equals to 2 by 3 matrix. 3 by 2 matrix never be equal to 2 by 3 matrix. So that's why this is rectangular matrix. There may be a chance of if A is of order 3 by 3, then A transpose is of order 3 by 3. So this is possibility. That means A to be a symmetric matrix, it should be a square matrix. If a square matrix only, it is possible. A is if it is square matrix, then only it is possible. Its transpose is equals to itself. So how do we write the example? Let us see. To write the symmetric matrix example लिखना है तो how do we write? Diagonal can be taken any numbers because when you do the transpose of the matrix, diagonal elements will not change. Because transpose of the matrix is nothing but if you given matrix is Aij, if the given matrix is Aij, then its transpose will be Aji. Ji is nothing but first row second column element will become second row first column element. Second row third column element will become third row second column element. But second row second column element will become second row second column only. That means second row second column is nothing but it is in the diagonal element. It is in the diagonal elements. So diagonal elements whenever you take into consider can be taken same. When you interchange also it won't change. So diagonal elements, suppose if you want to give the 3 by 3 matrix of any symmetric matrix as an example, so you can create your own example also here. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3 I have taken as a diagonal. Okay. Then after, if you write here whatever, these two places are interchanging places. These two places are interchanging places. Isn't it? ये फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम है, ये सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. ये दोनों प्लेसेस में सेम नंबर होना है और ये दोनों प्लेसेस में सेम नंबर होना है. ये दोनों प्लेसेस में सेम नंबर होना है. इधर if you write 6, here 6. Here if you write 7, here 7. Here if you write 2, here if you 2. Now this is a matrix of symmetric matrix. सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स का एग्जाम्पल देने के लिए मैं बोल, ओके, डिड यू गेट माई पॉइंट हियर?
Yes, sir.
ये सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स
Yes,
होता
sir.
है ना, ये पहले एक बार चेक करते हैं। ये ट्रांसपोज लिखो, ये कॉलम की जैसा लिखना है, 167 167 652 652 723 723, again you got the same matrix. A transpose is equals to A, you got it. So A transpose is equals to A means that matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. Okay, did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here if you see that this is a one way of doing the symmetric matrix. The another is, if A is of any square matrix, if you want to create the symmetric matrix from the with the help of the, means any matrix can be written as a, means if you write here sum of the two matrices, then you will get it as a symmetric matrix. So that properties hoga, then I will tell you very clearly about the properties. Symmetric matrix is nothing but this one. Let us go for the skew symmetric matrix. The next type of the matrix is skew symmetric matrix. SKEW. What is this? Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix is nothing but if A transpose is equals to minus A, if A transpose is equals to minus A, then that matrix is called as a skew symmetric matrix. Did you get my point?
Sir, will you please repeat the name again?
Skew, SKEW, skew symmetric matrix. SKEW, SKEW, ये W है, skew symmetric matrix. So if A is of matrix and A transpose is equals to minus A, if A transpose is equals to minus A, then that matrix is called as a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, is it clear? And I'll give the example how do we write the skew symmetric matrix, how do we write that? Let us see here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here, if A is any matrix, let us take this matrix. If you want to give an example of this matrix as a, this matrix skew symmetric matrix hona hai. That means when you do the transpose of this matrix and when you multiply this matrix by the minus, if you multiply this matrix by the minus, then that should be equal. So for that purpose, to give the example of the skew symmetric matrix का example देने के लिए, okay, so then you need to take the diagonal elements, principal diagonal elements should be taken as a zeros. Principal diagonal elements should be taken as a zeros. So the next thing is that here the elements whatever are there, additive inverse elements should be there. Additive inverse elements is nothing but here if you 2 is there, either minus 2 होना है, इधर minus 2 होता है तो इधर plus 2 होना है, इधर 5 होता है तो minus 5 होना है, minus 5 होता है तो plus 5 होना है. Is it clear? So let us
Yes,
see
sir.
here. One example let us take here, minus 5 minus 5. Here I have taken plus 2. Then in this place minus 2. Here I have taken 7. Here we need to take the minus 7. Now you see that this matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. So to give the example of the skew symmetric matrix, the diagonal elements, to identify that, so a matrix to be a skew symmetric is nothing but the diagonal element should be zeros. So now this is a condition you can remember, and the first row second column element, second row first column element should be both additive inverses. They both should be additive inverse. Additive inverse elements if you are having, then you can say that matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. You check this one whether skew symmetric matrix hoga nahi hoga. Okay. A transpose. What do you get? 0, 5, minus 2. This row I have to write as a column. Minus 5, 0, 7. 2, minus 7, 0. And what is minus here you will get? ये पूरा मैट्रिक्स को माइनस मल्टीप्लाई, माइनस मल्टीप्लाइंग इज नथिंग बट मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ -1, multiplying with a -1. Okay, so now here if you see that minus, if you multiply to the 0, 0 only, and if you multiply this one by the minus, minus 5, this one by the minus 2, and this one by the minus 5, 0, minus 7, ये माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 2, ये माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 7, एंड ये 0. अब देखो ये दोनों इक्वल हो गया है. A transpose is equals to minus A. So if A transpose is equals to minus A, then that matrix is called as a Q symmetric matrix. Okay? Symmetric matrix is nothing but transpose. A transpose is equals to A is called symmetric matrix. Q symmetric matrix is nothing but A transpose is equals to minus A. If A transpose is equals to minus A, then it is called as this Q symmetric matrix. Clear? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you go further, there will be some two different theorems are there. That means if A is of any square matrix, if A is any square matrix, theorem is nothing but you actually the proof is not essential to you, but it is a very simple thing. It is there in your textbook. You go through that. Textbook में है, but let me state that A is of any square matrix, then A plus A transpose. A is the any matrix, then A plus A transpose will become the symmetric matrix. ये symmetric होगा. Just see here, and A minus A transpose होगा Q symmetric. A plus A transpose होगा symmetric. A minus A transpose होगा Q symmetric. So how it is possible? First, let us go through the example. One example let us take. Example देख के then we will understand here. Then after with the proof theorem, let us see how do we derive this one. A is of any square matrix. A is of any square matrix. Then if you take that, A plus A transpose will become the symmetric matrix. A minus A transpose will become the Q symmetric matrix. So how it is possible? Let us see that through the example and the next proof. Example, if you take that A should be compulsory of square matrix. What? It should be of square matrix. Square matrix you by 2 by 2 matrix, let us take. Can we take the 2 by 2 matrix?
Yes, sir.
Any 2 by 2 matrix you say. Any number.
4, 6, 5,
4, 6, 5,
2.
3. Okay, 2. Now this is a matrix. और इसका ट्रांसपोज फाइंड आउट करो. इसका ट्रांसपोज फाइंड आउट करो. A ट्रांसपोज. So what do you get? ये 4 है, ये 6 है. इधर 5, इधर 2. और ये दोनों को ऐड करो. A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज देखो. ऐड कर ले तो 4 प्लस 4 ये 8 हो गया. 6 प्लस 5 11 हो गया. 5 प्लस 6 11 हो गया. 2 प्लस 2 4 हो गया. A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज ये सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स होगा नहीं होगा? Already I told you symmetric matrix होने के लिए diagonal elements can be any element, and other than the diagonal elements, opposite places में whatever the numbers are there should be same element. ये transpose matrix, ये symmetric matrix होगा नहीं होगा? Symmetric matrix होगा नहीं होगा identify करने के लिए just you need to see the principal diagonal. Any 3 by 3 matrix also you take. You take the any 3 by 3 matrix. A is a matrix of order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now इसका ट्रांसपोज क्या है? इधर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. और ये दोनों मैट्रिसेस को ऐड करो. A plus A ट्रांसपोज. What do you get? 1 plus 1 is 2. This 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 7 is 10. And 4 plus 2 is again 6. ये दोनों सेम आ गया देखो. And 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 8 is 14. Now 3 plus 7 is 10. You see this and this you got. This doesn't matter. ये दोनों सेम होना है हमको. ये दोनों सेम होना है. 6 plus 8 is 14. ये दोनों सेम होना है. Next 9 plus 9 is 18. So therefore ये symmetric matrix हो गया. A minus A transpose देखो. ये Q symmetric matrix होगा. A minus A transpose. ये दोनों को subtract करो. 1 minus 1 0 होगा. 5 minus 5 0 होगा. 9 minus 9 0 होगा. Principal diagonal elements are zeros. 2 minus 4 क्या होगा? -2 होगा. Here 4 minus 2 plus 2 होगा. I already told you skew symmetric matrices. How do we identify? This is principal diagonal element should be zeros, and first row, second column, second row, fourth row. Ith row, jth column element, jth row, ith column element should be opposite sign with the same number. Means additive inverses should be there. There should be of additive inverses. So in the same way, if you see that a2 आ गया, 3 minus 7 is minus 4, इधर plus 4 आ जाएगा, 7 minus 3, 6 minus 8 is equals to minus 2, here plus 2 आ जाएगा, 8 minus 6 हो गया. This is just to throw the example. And how do we prove? How do we prove that whenever you take the any matrix A as a symmetric matrix? ये symmetric बोल रहा हूँ, ये symmetric बोल रहे हैं तो what is the meaning of that? इसका ट्रांसपोज इसको इक्वल होना है, isn't it? So let us consider the transpose of this matrix. A transpose. So property you see here, A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay? So this can be written as A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. समझ में आया? ये प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर लिया मैंने. So what do you get here? A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose is equals to अगेन ये इसका ट्रांसपोज अगेन वही आया है, ये दोनों सेम हार ना है सर. ये प्लस ए ट्रांसपोज है, ये ट्रांसपोज प्लस ए ट्रांसपोज. मैट्रिसेस ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ द मैट्रिसेस फॉलोज द कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. Addition of the matrices follows the commutative property, but multiplication does not follow the commutative property. Do remember that. A plus B will be equals to B plus A होगा, ये commutative property बोलते हैं. But A into B is not equals to B into A. But A into B whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose होगा. So this is a point you need to remember here. Please try to understand here. Did you get my point? ये मैट्रिक्स एंड ये मैट्रिक्स, ये इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट क्या है, ये मैट्रिक्स क्या है, वो दोनों सेम है. These two matrices are same. That's why see this is you consider as a C. ये completely some C मान लो, ये C transpose है. Again ये C आ गया, तो C transpose equal to C means C is the matrix of skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix हो गया ना. देखो ये sorry symmetric matrix not skew, symmetric matrix हो. So now skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix is nothing but ये skew symmetric matrix बोलते हैं. That means C. You consider this as a C. C is equals to A minus A transpose. Skew symmetric is nothing but transpose of the matrix should be equals to minus A transpose. A transpose is equals to minus A means A is called as a skew symmetric matrix. So इसका ट्रांसपोज माइनस सी इक्वल होना है, तो सी ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस ए होल ट्रांसपोज. तो ये ट्रांसपोज माइनस ये ट्रांसपोज होल ट्रांसपोज, ये ट्रांसपोज माइनस ये, फ्रॉम दिस ये टेक द कॉमन, देन व्हाट यू गेट ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा. ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज इज नथिंग बट सी, so which is equals to C. C transpose is equals to minus C. This is only the proof. Suppose if the question is asking you to prove that any square matrix can be written as any square matrix, if A is any square matrix, A plus A transpose is a square symmetric matrix, A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. If this is a statement, if it is given to you to prove, then you can prove it very clearly like this. The proof is given to you in your textbook and it is important also. Then you try to do it. And in this chapter, what are the syllabus? Which syllabus is deleted? Elementary row operations is deleted to find the inverse of the matrix. According to the new syllabus, have you go through the syllabus? Syllabus
Yes,
गया
sir.
है? हाँ
sir.
Okay. Elementary row, symmetric, skew symmetric में क्या क्या है वो पूरा है. Only it is deleted. The syllabus is elementary row transformations, and using that, how do we find out the inverse? Also, I'll explain to you the one problem to you. Don't worry, because it is useful for your future. How do we do it? One or two problems. Let us discuss how do we find out the inverse. Although it is deleted from the syllabus. Okay? Did you understand
Okay,
this
sir.
point? A is the any square matrix means A plus A transpose is a square symmetric matrix. A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Next, any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of the सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. वेरी सिंपल. ये सिमेट्रिक है, ये स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है. ये दोनों का सम कर दिया तो क्या आ जाएगा? 2a आ जाएगा ना. You will get 2a ना. If you add these two matrices, a plus a transpose plus a minus a transpose कर दिया, then we are going to get double of a. So if you take any matrix A and you can write that as A can be written as any square matrix can be written as can be expressed as sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric बोल रहे हैं. ये सिमेट्रिक है, इसको 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो वो okay, tell me one thing, one simple question I will ask you. If you multiply the any matrix by the any non-zero constant, then whether the means if you multiply the any symmetric matrix को कुछ नंबर सभी एलिमेंट्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया है, then again it becomes symmetric or not? Again it becomes a symmetric or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because if you multiply non-zero constant, then the property will not change. Okay, so that's why here as you have multiplied the 1/2, a symmetric matrix होगा. A plus a transpose is symmetric matrix. 2 into a plus a transpose is a symmetric matrix. But I am multiplying the 1/2 here. 1/2 of a plus a transpose. And इसको again इसको भी 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. Now what it becomes? C. सही है, ये नहीं है. A plus a transpose a minus a transpose. ये सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स है, स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स है. So any matrix can be written as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. This is another theorem. Any matrix can be written as a symmetric and a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So this is about the basic thing you need to know about the types of the matrices and transpose of the matrix and types. Based on the transpose, some types and their properties. So these are the things, and based on this you can go for the exercise problems. Okay. So let us go for the exercise problems. 3.3 में what are the different problems are there? That problems let us discuss now, and then after we will complete this exercise. इसमें different problems मैं choose करता हूँ. आप एक बार टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन करके already if you have solved then you can ask me, sir ये problem मुझे डाउट है, ये problem मुझे डाउट है बोल के बोल. The first problem is given to you as a find the transpose of the each of the matrices. ट्रांसपोज फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ट्रांसपोज बोलते रो कॉलम की जैसे लिखना है, कॉलम रो की जैसे लिखना है, वो तो वेरी सिंपल है. सेकंड वन प्रॉब्लम इज गिवन ए एंड बी टू डिफरेंट 3x3 मैट्रिसेस आर गिवन एंड आस्किंग टू वेरीफाई दैट a plus b होल ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल्स टू a ट्रांसपोज प्लस b. ये कैसे करना है पता है? शैल आई एक्सप्लेन वन प्रॉब्लम और नो नीड?
Sir, 2 number.
ये कुछ नहीं है, देखो. See, I'll explain to you. A is the one matrix given, something, and B is another matrix given. A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose is asking. So A plus B पहले फाइंड आउट कर दो, ये दोनों को ऐड करो, उसके बाद इसको ट्रांसपोज करो, मीन्स रोस एंड कॉलम्स इंटरचेंज करो, एंड नेक्स्ट ये LHS आ गया. अब RHS के लिए पहले ये ट्रांसपोज चाहिए, ये मैट्रिक्स को इंटरचेंज करो रोस एंड कॉलम्स. बी ट्रांसपोज ये मैट्रिक्स को रोस एंड कॉलम्स इंटरचेंज करो और ये दोनों को ऐड करो, एंड हियर इफ यू गेट द सेम आंसर देन इट इज a plus b होल ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू a ट्रांसपोज प्लस b ट्रांसपोज. ओके ना?
Yes, sir.
Simple problem. It is not very difficult. So very simple problem, and that can be done. And the next is the textbook is with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here it is given that third problem is given to you that same way a plus b whole transpose, but here it is given to you that one is 3/2, another one is verify कर रहा है. A transpose is given to you, A is not given to you. Be careful. क्वेश्चन में A transpose दिया है, तो A transpose दिया तो उसका transpose कर दिया तो अगेन ये आ जाएगा. वो भी सिंपल है. फोर्थ प्रॉब्लम आल्सो यू कैन डू इट. Fifth one, ए बी होल ट्रांसपोज का ये एक बार वेरीफाई करते हैं. आपने अनुराग ने बोला है ना सर हाउ डू वी डू दैट. बट फिफ्थ प्रॉब्लम आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू. फिफ्थ बिट में a is equals to here it is given to you in the first problem 1 minus 4 3 by 1 matrix. b is equals to minus 1 2 1. इधर कामा नहीं लिखना है, गैप देना है बस. And what do we verify here? We need to verify that AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. So first A into B find out करो. AB. Can anyone tell me AB what do you get? A problem. What is the order of the matrix you will get?
Three by three.
Yes, 3 by 3 matrix you will get. ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो सकता है. ये 3 by 1 है, ये 1 by 3 है. तो 1 and 1 equal 3 by 3 you will get. So AB is equals to 3. A into B is equal to 3 by 3 matrix. तो ये इधर एलिमेंट चाहिए तो फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम से. तो 1 into -1 ओनली 1 into 2 1 into 1 -4 into -1 +4 -4 -8 -4 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो -3 3 2 6 3 1 3. दिस इज AB. तो दिस इंप्लॉइज दैट AB होल ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा? -1 2 1 4 -8 4 -8 -4 -3 6 3 हो गया ना. AB होल ट्रांसपोज है कौन? Now what to do? B A transpose and B transpose also find out करो. तो A transpose is equals to 1 minus 4 3. ये क्या है? 1 by 3 matrix. And B transpose is equals to -1 2 1. This is 3 by 1 matrix. Now what to do? B transpose into A transpose करना है. So B transpose is nothing but -1 2 1 and into 1 -4 3. So this is 3 by 1 again. This is 1 by 3. So then you are going to get again 3 by 3 matrix. Same way if you multiply that 1 into -1 1. Sir -1 into 4 +4 -1 into 3 -3 2 into 1 is 2 2 into -4 is -8 2 into 3 is 6 1 1 the 1 into -4 -4 3. So now you see this matrix and this matrix both are equal. -1 4 -3 2 -8 is 6 1 -4 3. So AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. I told the property. वो property इधर सही होगा. And do remember that in this situation A transpose into B transpose also possible. Can you tell me that? ये मैंने दे दिया है. A transpose into B transpose क्या होगा? Can anyone tell? What is the answer for that? A transpose into B transpose. What is the answer for the A transpose into B transpose? What is the order of the matrix you will get for that at least? Tell me.
Sir, it will be AB whole transpose.
A transpose into B transpose equal to AB whole transpose होगा.
No sir.
ये मैट्रिक्स आपके पास A ट्रांसपोज है B ट्रांसपोज है, वो दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो बोल रहा हूं मैं. मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया तो व्हाट डू यू गेट? Single element you will get.
That will be 1 by 1.
1 by 1 matrix, that is single element you are going to get. 1 by 1 matrix and that's a single element you will get. So single element what do you get here? ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई करो. Just it is not necessary in this problem. ये problem में जरूरत नहीं है. Just I am saying to you. So 1 into -1 is -1. -4 into 2 is -8. 3 is 1 is 3. So simplify कर लिया तो -9 -6 you are going to get single element. So ये AB whole transpose never be equal to A transpose into B transpose. AB whole transpose is never be equal to A transpose into B transpose because AB whole transpose is 3 by 3 matrix A transpose into B transpose is 1/1 matrix. So it is not possible. Okay. So next, let us go for the next problem. Sixth problem is given to you, same, A transpose into A is equals to I. I is nothing but here 1001. So 1001 you have to prove it. Show that this matrix is a symmetric matrix. Seventh one. Symmetric matrix होगा नहीं होगा? देख रहे हैं आप टेक्स्ट बुक को देख रहे हैं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, सिमेट्रिक होगा ना? नहीं होगा? होगा
No,
नहीं
sir.
होगा? ना, ये होगा. Because see, same elements there ना. Diagonal elements can be any element.
Yes, yes,
By the-
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
By the observation itself, you can say that whether the given matrix is symmetric or not. 1, 2, 3, any elements can be there. Okay. Next one is in that skew symmetric बोल रहे. Skew symmetric में rule क्या है? Diagonal elements should be 0 and ith row, jth column, ith column elements should be additive inverses. Means वो 1 होता है तो -1 है, -1 होता है तो +1 है, 1 होता है तो +1 है. So you can say that 7th problem you can do, 8th problem you can do, 9th you can do. This exercise is simple only. You can do it. It's not a very difficult problem. 10th problem I'll explain to you. Express the following matrices as the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So this one problem I will tell you because you may feel different. Express the following matrices as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So as per the theorem, the given problem is, second problem let us take here. 10th bit second problem. Matrix A is equals to given to you 6, 2, 6 minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 3, minus 1. 2, minus 1, 3. So now here. Okay. Now here, what to do? This matrix you need to express sum of the symmetric and the skew symmetric. So this is a matrix means it's a symmetric matrix is what here? You need to find out A transpose find out करना है. 6 minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 3 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 3. Now what to do here? Half of A plus A transpose. This is symmetric matrix. So ये अभी you have to express this one as a, first you find out A plus A transpose and इसको half करो. So 1/2 of A plus A transpose is nothing but 6 plus 6, 12, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4, 2 plus 2, 4, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4, and 3 plus 3, 6, and here you will get minus 1, minus 2, and here you will get 4, and here you will get minus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. अब इसको 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So what do you get here? 6. इधर 6 आ जाएगा and here minus 2 आ जाएगा, here 2 आ जाएगा, इधर minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3. All matrices you have this. Now you see that this is a symmetric matrix. Which is symmetric matrix. So this is, you consider it as a 1 symmetric matrix. और skew symmetric matrix चाहिए तो what to do? 1/2 should be multiplied by A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose ले लो 1/2. A minus A transpose ये दोनों को subtract करो. 6 minus 6 becomes 0. Minus 2 of minus 2 will become 0 again. 2 minus 2 it will become 0 here. And minus 2 ये दोनों को subtract करो. ये दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया तो अगेन 0 हो जाएगा. 3 minus 3 is 0. minus 1 sorry, express the following matrices as the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric. Yes, actually here if you take all the elements you are going to get zeros here. 2 minus 2, because in the given problem is itself a symmetric matrix. ये सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स है. इसके लिए you can write this matrix, any square matrix can be written as a sum of the skew symmetric, means ये अब दोबारा क्या आ जाएगा, 0 0 0 आ जाएगा. So can you tell me that whether this matrix is skew symmetric matrix or not?
Yes sir.
whether this और ये skew symmetric matrix, ये दोनों को सम करो, ये आ जाएगा.
Same.
Only this problem is like this here, but the remaining third problem and fourth problem, if you see that, let me check the fourth problem, 2 by 2 matrix. Third problem, if you see, as it is showing in difficult way, that's why I have chosen here. But in the third problem, what do you get? Here you will not get 0 0 0. You will get 0 0 0 this one, and after ये दोनों additive inverses, ये दोनों additive inverses, ये दोनों additive inverses. And this matrix and this matrix you need to add so that you will get the A. So that matrix can be written as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now let us see, if you want that problem also, I will explain to you. Which one? Third problem. Third one is given to you. 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. This is a matrix. Okay. So now here this matrix A, let us consider. Again A transpose find out karo. A transpose find out karo. So what do you get? 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. Okay ना? और सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स चाहिए तो half of A plus A transpose will become the symmetric matrix. So half of A plus A transpose, ये दोनों को ऐड करो. 6 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus 2 minus 2 plus 3 is minus 1 1 minus 4 ये सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स होना है ना. तो सॉरी, ये +1 हो जाएगा. 2 minus 2 plus 3 is equals to 1. 1 minus 5 is minus 4 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 5 minus 4 2 plus 2 4. ये सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स है और नहीं है. Diagonal elements can be any number. ये same, ये same, ये same. So symmetric matrix, which is symmetric. Next, half of A minus A transpose. Half of A minus A transpose. Half of A minus A transpose बोले तो ये इससे subtract करो, ये 0 हो जाएगा. 3 minus of minus 2. So 3 plus 2 5. 1 minus 1 minus of minus 4. 1 plus 4 it is equals to 3. Minus 2 minus 3, so minus 5. ये 0 हो जाएगा, ये दोनों सेम है. 1 minus of minus 5 बोले तो plus 6 हो जाएगा. 4 minus of minus 1 बोले तो minus 4 minus of minus 1, so minus 4 plus 1, so minus 3. इधर minus 6 हो जाएगा. Yes, 2 minus 2 0. ये विच इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. तो इसको एक्चुअली ये दोनों को ऐड करो, दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू ये. तो ये कैन बी रिटन एज सम ऑफ द सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. सम ऑफ द सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. ये दोनों को ऐड करो. 1 by 2 let it be. See here, adding these two matrices also you can do like this here. So 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 of A minus A transpose is equals to. So 1 by 2 of A matrix लिखो. 6 1 minus 5 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 4 plus 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 पहले मल्टीप्लाई करने का जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज ये दोनों में 1 by 2 है ना. तो 1 by 2 you can take the common for both the matrices. और ये मैट्रिक्स कॉमन ले लिया. So what is you will get 0 5 3 minus 5 0 6 minus 3 minus 6 0. ये दोनों को ऐड करो एंड 1 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो. दोनों को ऐड कर लिया तो इधर 6 आ जाएगा. 1 plus 5 is 6. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 6 is equals to 2. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. 4 plus 0 4. अब इसको पूरा 2 से डिवाइड करो तो 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. ये देखो अगेन ये आ गया ना. Got it now? So this matrix
Yes, sir.
you write as a this matrix you wrote as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric. Sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric. This is actually theorem you are having. The theorem also we have discussed. So with this we are problems are lengthy problems are there, time consuming problems, but you need to do it. If you see the 11th problem you see, choose the correct answer. A and B are the symmetric matrices of order, same order. Then A minus B minus B minus A is which one? Same order. A minus B, A symmetric matrices of same order. A and B are the symmetric matrices. So what do you get? AB minus BA, what do you get? Once you think about that one, it's a very interesting question actually. You think about that one and complete it. If you have any doubt, then let us see here. The next topic is elementary row transformations, which is deleted from your textbook, and inverse of the matrix. And how do we find out the inverse of the matrix? Let us find out other than the using the inverse elementary row transform. Here you will use the elementary row transformations to find the inverse of the matrix actually. So let us learn in the one class. Doesn't matter that one class if you are wasting it. It's not a thing, but you are going to learn the new topic. Okay. I'll explain.
Sir.
Salt.